Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something super useful in robotics projects, the servo motor. Servos are used for precise control of angular or linear positions, making them perfect for tasks like controlling a robotic arm, steering a vehicle, or adjusting the position of a sensor. A servo is a type of motor that can rotate to a specific position between 0 and 80 degrees. Unlike regular DC motors that just spin continuously, servo motors are designed for controlled motion, and they give you a lot more precision. The servo motor typically has 3 wires. The brown or black wire is the ground, and we connect this to the Arduino's ground pin. The red wire is the power supply, which goes to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. The orange or yellow wire is the signal wire. You can connect it to any digital or analog pin. For this demonstration, you'll need an Arduino, a servo motor, and some jumper wires. Here I'm connecting to an analog pin. So we are done with the circuit. Let's code. In this code, I'm using the servo.h library to control the servo. First, I create a servo object. This allows me to control the servo throughout the program. In the setup function, I attach the servo to the A0 pin. And finally, in the loop function, I set the servo to 80 degrees. This means that every time the program runs, the servo will move and hold position at 80 degrees. As you see, the servo rotated for 80 degrees. Now let's try changing its angle. See, it works properly. I hope this tutorial helps you understand the basics of controlling a servo with Arduino. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.